Hi friends, today I am going to show you something about the cleaning of laptop. This is a very old laptop, this is a 8-year-old laptop, and it's in a good condition because I maintained it. So this is one, and what are required to clean the laptops. So as you can see, there is one brush. This is also an old brush, but very sophisticated, very neat and tidy. And these two brushes are some 10 bucks, 20 bucks. These are also required for some components. There are two towels I am using, one for the wet cleaning and one for the dry part. And the laptop, of course, and you can see a bottle with a spray, and of course the laptop charge. Always remember friends, you have to roll it up like this, okay, whenever you are keeping it somewhere. There are reasons for that. Okay, so let's start with this. First and foremost, what I'll do is clean using this one. Okay, where all we cannot use water or spray and all. Okay, so that we are through. Now I am going to remove this towel because I am going to use this. Only this much of spray. Okay, and okay, now I'll check if there is no water or any thing, so I'm going to use this like this. There is very little moisture, almost no moisture on the brush. Okay, we have to be very careful, especially with electronics like computers and related products. Okay, so this part is okay. Now I have to make sure this part is fine, right? Don't use weight or harsh cleaning. Done. Use this now. Just smoothly run on this. You can see for yourself the laptop has a different look now. Okay, so fine, this part is okay. Now let's focus on the internal part. Here you need extra cautious. You need to be extra cautious. The same one which was wet, but there is hardly anything on this. So let me use this cleaning places like these joints and all. These are the places you can use this one, or you can use this one. Okay, dust settles on these shapes. Okay, clean this. Okay, on the screen you need to be careful. You can use the cloth straight away. I am hardly pressing this. This part is done. Now the keyboard. Probably if this you are not satisfied with this, move out. Use this one. Here there is no problem. But be careful. Don't by hard cleaning you may disturb the keyboard. So don't do that. Very smoothly you need to do this. If you feel that this kind of cleaning is not enough for the keyboard, take it to the engineer who can do this. They will remove the keyboard, and for them also it takes a lot of time because it's not so easy. Okay, now rest of the part we can use the same slightly wet towel and the completely dry towel. You can use this once again if you feel like. That's it. It's done. From the base, very simple to do. No need of any hard cleaning on this. If you feel there is some dirt here, use this nice thin brush. It's not wet, there is no problem. Never use a vacuum cleaner or anything like that. It will spoil the entire laptop. Yeah, that's it. It's all done. So we're done with this. Now the importance of this, not so important at all for cleaning this. Only you can just clean this, the cables. That's it. Friends, I hope you have liked it, and I would highly appreciate if you can just share this and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Thanks.